For a couple of years now, we've been trying to propagate monarch butterflies. Just planting a few plants here and there. These are milkweed, and that's what the monarch butterfly larvae feed off of. So the butterflies come along here and they drop a seed on these guys. The seed turns into the larva, and as you can see, the larva starts eating these things right down really fast. This is last year's crop. It's just recovering from the winter and starting to grow back. It'll get much nicer and fuller. But then come the butterflies. They're not really here yet, but when they come, they will descend upon this, and the larva will just go crazy on this. So we've done this for the last couple of years, just kind of bumping along. But now we've decided to take it up to a whole different level. So behold, the behemoth Binford 5000 Monarch propagation machine. It's 7 cubic yards of dirt inside this thing, and it's completely blocked off from the outside. The theory being that we're going to let the monarchs start over here and let the larvae be hatched out. And over here inside these chambers, we're going to have fully grown milkweed plants that will provide a lot of food for them. The idea, though, is that we're not going to let them have all the plants. We have this set up in chambers so that, let me go down here. So each of these chambers is blocked off from the other, and so the monarchs can, or the larvae that is, can chew away on these plants all they want, but they can't get to the others because they'll take down this entire cell here within a week or two. So then we'll open this up to the monarchs to plant eggs as well as over here. And then we'll transfer the larvae to the now protected plants over here in the other chambers. Like this. And on down the line here, and hopefully we'll be able to get 10 times as many butterflies out of this. Yeah, a lot of it's you probably get 1 out of 10 of the larvae to be able to pupate and take off as a butterfly. But anyway, this is our new endeavor. We have 50 more milkweed plants that are going to show up here next week. So we'll plant them here. The soil is kind of interesting. This is the soil we have here on the mesa, which is a glorified kind of sand. It's multi-course sands. When you add water and a little pressure, it gets really hard. So we actually have to dig these holes with a drill. And this weird material you see on here, we were going to put normal bird netting to keep the monarchs out and the birds, so the birds can't eat the larvae. But we were afraid that the monarchs would get caught up in that bird netting. They just seem to get caught up in everything. So we saw this someplace else, and we wanted to use this material. I didn't know what it was, but Christy took one look at it and said it's wedding veil material called tulle or something. And it's pretty delicate. It's sort of strong and delicate all at once. We don't know how long it'll last, but we're going to have to, by the end of the season, we'll have most of it cut off anyways to let the butterflies in and the butterflies out. So anyway, this is the new deal. The new hobby, the new endeavor. We'll see how long this lasts. So anyway, wish us luck. All right, bye.